Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Decode. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can repair your corrupted Outlook PST files with the help of Stellar Repair for Outlook. So let's get started. To begin with, you need to download the software first. Simply go to your browser and search for Stellar Repair for Outlook. Now simply click here and click here to download the software. Now simply right click over the downloaded file and run it as administrator. You can select a language here as per your preference and click on OK. Now simply click on next, accept the agreement, click on next, click on next. If you want, you can uncheck this option, click on next, and finally on install. Click on finish to launch the software. Here you will get two options. You can either click on list profiles or choose manually. If you click on list profiles, you can select your profile from here and directly click on repair to begin the repair process. Or you can also choose your mailbox manually. Browse for the corrupted Outlook PST file, select it and click on open, and finally click on repair. That's it. Your corrupted data will be successfully repaired. Now to save this file, you need to click here and it will redirect you to this page. As you can see, the software has 3 different versions, so you can select the one as per your requirements and needs. You can either buy it for 1 year or you can select the lifetime license, and finally you can click on buy now. Once here, simply enter the billing information details and you can easily make the payment using your PayPal account or credit cards. Once you make the payment, you will get the serial key to the email ID which you will give it here. Once you get the activation key in your email, simply copy it and paste it here and finally click on activate. That's it. The activation process will get completed. Now you can easily save your repair file. You will be given multiple options. Select your preferred one and click on next. Browse for the location where you want to save the file. I'll be keeping it to downloads and click on OK, and finally click on OK. That's it. The file is successfully saved now. Now to regain access to the recovered Outlook PST file, simply open Microsoft Outlook, go to File, click on Open and Export and select this option. Make sure this import from another program or file is selected and click on Next. Select Outlook data file and click Next. Now browse for the repaired Outlook PST file. Select it and click on open. Click on next and finally on finish. Now simply wait for your files to load. Once the file gets loaded, you can easily navigate through them and choose your files of prime importance. Now let's explore the Stellar Repair for Outlook software dashboard. After opening it, you can simply click on select Outlook data file and it will give you these two options which you already have seen earlier. Now if you click on choose manually, you will see there is an option of find. If you click on find, it will give you this box. Now you can select any of the drive you suspect your Outlook file to be at and simply click on find. Now it will take some time and display you the result. You can see it has already displayed the files which are present on my PC. You can simply click on stop and select the file and click on repair. This way also you can search for your corrupted Outlook PST file and perform the repair process. To save the repaired file, I have already shown it. Now if you want, you can directly find a message by clicking here. You can search using these fields, and you can also select the calendar from here if you know the dates, and simply click on find now. Now you can save the scan results clicking here. Simply click on browse, select your preferred location and click OK, and finally OK again to save the file. That's it, the scan information will get saved successfully. Now if you want to begin your scanning process from that saved scan file, simply open the software and click on load scan. Now it will show you the saved file. Select it and click on load scan. Click on yes, and it will bring down all the items again. Now if you go to the view tab, you can switch the reading pane here, so it is as per your preferences which you want to keep. If you click on log report, you will see the things you have performed using the software. So you can apparently click on save log to save the log file of the software. Now if you go to tools menu, you can update the software from here. As I have installed the software just now, so it is already updated. So make sure this check box is tick marked so that it can always check for updates while you start up the software. Now if you go to calendar, you can use this feature to find the emails as per dates. I have already shown you the activation process, but if you purchase the activation key later, you can simply open the software, come to this activation tab and click here, and this will give you the activation box. Simply copy the activation key from your email, paste it and activate it. If you go to the help tab, you will get these options. If you click on help topics, it will take you to this web page where you can find most of the common topics which you may be looking answer for. So you can utilize this page to find your answer. You can also click on the knowledge base, or if you want to contact with the support team, you can click on support. Now it will land you to this web page. You can directly type your question here, or you can select any of the options from here. You can also access the FAQ section where most of the common questions are answered by the company. So you will get an easy help utilizing this web page. Now you can also submit a ticket for your problem with the software. If you click on the about section, you can see the version and edition of the software you are currently using on your PC. Stellar Repair for Outlook assures guaranteed recovery of your corrupted Outlook PST file with ease. It has excellent ratings in the Trustpilot. These ratings are being provided by the users globally, and they have 30 years of excellence in this field. From this, you can easily understand why they are the leaders while it comes to recovery of corrupted Outlook PST files. Now when you take the buy decision, you will see the three options here. Now the green dots under them shows their capabilities, so you can have a closer look in these options and take a wise decision to go with which particular version of the software. So these are the Trustpilot ranks given by the users of this software. You can see the ratings, and these are global. The other users of this software has benefited a lot when they were in worst case scenarios with their corrupted Outlook PST files, and using the Stellar Repair for Outlook software, they had access to the corrupted Outlook PST files again. So you can easily trust this software when you are also facing a disastrous scenario of corrupted Outlook PST files. So that's it for today. Stay tuned to the channel for more such updates. Thanks for watching and keep supporting the channel. Thank you.